Alright, guys, girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Bryant Barnes here with a song called Chicago. Love this one. He has this soft, rounded major chords, giving this swing to it, if you would like, or a milky touch. I don't know, just how it feels. Anyway, a great song, great voice, Bryant, of course. So let's go into this tutorial. And as you can see, no need for any capo here. We have a couple of chords, I believe 7. Let's go into it. Let's learn the A major 7, and that goes open A, second D, first G, second B, and open E. Next chord is the B minor 7. Okay, so what you play here is a bar. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Then you take the very same grip and just slide it inwards 2 frets closer, and you're gonna land at this position. Index finger as a bar on the 4th fret now, and everything there follows 6th fret on D string and 5th on B added, and that will be the C sharp minor 7. Okay, and then we also have one more bar chord left, and that will be the F sharp 7, and that goes as a bar on the 2nd fret, this time all strings with the index finger, and then you need to add 4th on A and 3rd on G. Let's move on with E7, and that goes open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, open E. We also got the D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. And finally we have the E. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. And there we have it, guys. Okay, so let's go into the verse and grab the first A major 7 chord, and one string around now will be down, 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 down. Okay, I like to emphasize the 3rd down here, so I play that on the higher strings, all of the downs more on the mid bass area, like that. Okay, so that is one string around, like this. That's how you do it. You're gonna start with A major 7, 4 string rounds, then B minor 7, 4, then E7, 4, and back to A major 7, 4. So both starts and end this chord progression with A major 4 string rounds. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds in total. So one round goes like this: A, 2, 3, and 4. Then B, 2, 3, 4, and E, 2, 3, 4, and back to A, 2, 3, and 4. And you double up there, and that's the first verse. Then into the chorus, if you want to be specific about it, we have a little bit different of timing here. So you're gonna play like this. So if you imagine you have like 16 downs in total, you will make the break part 1 and part 2 after 7. So the first part is 7 downs on D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you switch to the next part, E, and play 9 downs on that one. Okay, so that will be this timing here, not exactly even. So part 1 is 7 downs and part 2 is 9 downs. So we're gonna play D part 1, that means 7 downs, and E part 2, 9 downs. Then you continue in the same way here, the C sharp minor part 1 and the D part 2. You're gonna play that portion for 2 rounds. So let's do that together first. So D, E, C, D. Again, D, E, C, D. Okay, and then you're gonna play D part 1, E part 2, C sharp 7 part 1 and F sharp 7 part 2. Then final round will be B minor part 1, E part 2, and then one full round on the A major 7. Okay, so let's play that last part now. D, E, C sharp, F sharp, B minor, E, and A. And that's the chorus. Okay, it's a long one, but there you have it. Now, second round of everything. Everything is almost repetition. The second verse here, it's played the same, but you play it half as long. Only one round of that: A, B minor, E7, and A, okay? And then you go into the second chorus, play it exactly in the same way as the chorus we just learned. And then after that second chorus, we have the outro part left that starts about 2 minutes and 50 seconds in. What you're going to play here is the verse play for 2 rounds, 2 beautiful rounds, guys. And that is how you perform Chicago from Bryant Barnes. A great song. And if you enjoy this like I did, then you should be smiling like I am. And thank you so much for supporting me here. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.